an extra level of difficulty in trig problems is to have more things going on. Here we have cosecant squared, so if we take the square root of both sides, or rather plus or minus the square root of both sides, we get cosecant of theta equals plus or minus the square root of 2. Then, by the reciprocal identity, sine of theta equals, well, we take the reciprocal of square root of 2, which is square root of 2 over 2. Now we can look at, on our unit circle, where is sine of theta equal to square root of 2 over 2, or negative square root of 2 over 2. And that's here at 45 degrees. It's over here at 135 degrees. Adding another 90, we have at 215 degrees. Adding another 90, it's again at 305 degrees. So all of these, I think I did my arithmetic wrong. Sorry, 225 and 315. All of these fit in here. Now, our answer was supposed to be between 0 and 2 pi, so we should probably write those as pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, and 7 pi over 4. And you should be able to figure out that all of these are solutions. Now over here, we have a bunch of different things going on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move everything to the same side of the equation first. If I subtract secant theta, I'll get 3 secant theta. And then I can factor out a secant. So secant theta times, what would this be? Negative 2 square roots of 3 sine theta minus 3. So now that we factored it out, we can say either secant theta equals 0. In other words, cosine of theta would be undefined. Or we have negative 2 square roots of 3 sine theta minus 3 equals 0. Adding 3 and dividing by negative 2 square roots of 3 gives us, adding 3 divided by negative 2 square roots of 3. That's the same thing as negative square root of 3 over 2. So let's see, what are the solutions to cosine of theta is undefined? Well, cosine of theta is always defined. So that's not actually helping us. So that's not actually going to be a solution, give us any solutions. Sometimes it could. If this were cosine of theta equals 0, then that would have solutions. And then let's see, where is sine of theta equal to negative square root of 3 over 2? Negative square root of 3 over 2, that's down here. So it's 60 degrees here away from the 180, so that's 240 degrees. Or we could continue another 30 degrees to this and another 30 degrees there, which would give us 300 degrees. If we write those in radians, which we were asked to, this would be pi over 3 here, and then this is pi, so 4 pi over 3, and this second one is 5 pi over 3.